Hi, I'm Tyler Fermelis. I work for Laika as the lead RPCG modeler, and it's my first time here at SIGGRAPH, so just checking out the expo booth. Very exciting stuff going on. So at Laika, we build puppets. It's a really weird way of making movies, but we're 3D printing all these parts. They're very small, and there's tons of pieces inside of them. So I'm doing a talk on a panel a little bit later, discussing a procedural modeling system that basically lets all these 3D printed parts be parametrically driven instead of hand modeled. So hopefully that'll be a fun little talk. But I'm very excited about texture diffusion and a whole bunch of AI technology here. So there's lots of good talks going on, and I'm looking forward to seeing the new technology. Laika's website, we'll talk about all the existing films, and we've just released a new teaser trailer for our upcoming film Wildwood. It's very short, but fun, so check it out.